going to celebrate my team tonight, and I'm also going to celebrate Billy Cunningham, Manny Lucas, Classic and Reese, all of them, because I think they deserve it. So,
Riley showed a great deal of fun.
Oh, we can all rest easy. Elio Cat from Yemen to survive another round in Dancing with the Stars. He's the celebrity who was knocked out. The actress Nancy voted out of the mix. NBA leader is Paige at 10 out of 13 from downtown. 30.